Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig. Some of you that have been watching my channel for a while may notice that I am in a different background. I did move. There is a moving video that went up before this one. If you have not seen that, I will have it linked down below and I will have it linked at the end of this video. This is my first time ever moving that I remember. Like, not obviously, my parents did move me when I was a baby, but I obviously don't remember that. So this is my first time ever moving and remembering it, and it is a lot harder than I thought it was, especially like also trying to film it. Like, I don't know how vloggers do that. It got kind of hard, but I did try really hard. So I do have a moving video that went up before this one, and I do have another one coming that'll probably go up later after this one because that video is in 2 parts. But anyways, let's get back to this video. I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing. I do pay for my own FabFitFuns. The company does not send them to me. I've actually been getting them for 2 years, and I haven't done an unboxing video because I feel like everybody that gets FabFitFun does a FabFitFun unboxing video. So every time I'm like, no, I'm not going to make a video because that video is so overly made. And then every time after I open it, I'm like, dang, I wish I made a video of that. So this time I'm actually going to make a video. I do have a referral link. It doesn't, I don't think it gets you anything. It would help me out if you used it because, like I said, I do pay for my FabFitFuns, so it would help me out. But if you want to try FabFitFun, I do have a referral link down below. Unfortunately, like the other YouTubers, I do not have a discount code for you. But anyways, FabFitFun costs $49.99 a month, and it's supposed to be like I want to say a $200 value box. And normally a lot of the products in here I do like. Some of them I do get rid of, but honestly they're good products and you can sell them and you can just make that money back. So I do think that this is worth it. So without further ado, let's unbox. So this is what the inside looks like. It comes with a little magazine, the FabFitFun magazine. I do actually read these to see, like, this tells you everything that could have come in any box because you do get different boxes based off of things you've filled out and stuff. But this tells you about everything that came in every box and how to use it and how other people use it. So I do actually read these. I don't know if other people do, but I do. Ooh, and then I got a HelloFresh Cook Up a Fresh Start, $50 off, $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. Well, I don't know if I can use this because I have used HelloFresh before, but I'm gonna try because now that I have moved and I have a nice recording kitchen, I want to try HelloFresh and Blue Apron again and give y'all my opinion on them as someone that paid for them and not someone that was sent them. So I do want to do that. If y'all want to see that video, please thumbs up this video so that I know, like, that's actually something I should be spending my money on and not just something in my head that sounds cool. So if y'all actually want to see that video, please thumbs this up. If you don't want to see it, please comment down below and tell me that it would be a waste of my time and money. So I got a $50 HelloFresh gift card. We'll see if I can actually use it. And what's next? Ooh. So this is what the box looks like on the inside. It always comes so cute. It had this packaging on it. And the first thing I see is earrings. So these are definitely statement earrings. They're like tassels. Let's see if I can open it without damaging the package because I don't know if I'll wear these. So this might be something that someone else gets. Let's see. Okay. They're like these black tassel-y earrings. They're the brand Ethica from Los Angeles, California. Yeah. So they're 18 karat gold plated, designed in LA, nickel free. They are very cute. I never change my earrings. I always have the same earrings in. And sometimes I'll buy earrings and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna start changing my earrings. Do I? No, I don't do that. So I got some earrings. Next, we got a Ish Lip Statement Palette. So it's just in this black and gold box. The packaging is really cute. Let's see in here. Okay, so it really just is what it says it is. It's just a lip color palette. Some of these colors do look really cute though. Like these nude colors. I always think nude colors are going to be so cute, and then I put them on and I'm like, I look like I don't have lips because they just blend in with my skin, so I never actually like it, but we'll see what happens. Next we have a thing. I'm not sure what this is. It says Rachel Pally on it. Let's open it. Let's see what this is. It's a bag with another bag. Oh no, that's the inside of the bag. Sorry guys, a little bit dumb. So it's just this long bag with this pocket on the inside, and it's the brand Rachel Pally. I'm not really sure what you would put in this bag other than makeup maybe. Let me look in the, see, this is where the handy dandy book comes in. What do we think about Rachel Pally reversible clutch? Oh, okay. So you're supposed to carry it like this. Sorry guys, I'm stupid. So you carry it like this, and it's a clutch, and it's reversible. So you could also carry it like this. Sorry guys, I just don't know what I'm doing. So it's just a little clutch. Okay, that's cute. See why that book comes in handy? So that's that. Next, we have a Super Bloom, number 14 Super Bloom, Basil Tangerine Leaf, Anise Violet. What is this? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a candle. Oh, it's gold. Ooh, it smells good. This is pretty. I wish y'all could smell this stuff. Like, I feel like I get talking to you and I'm just like, here, smell this. And you can't, and it drives me crazy. It smells good. I think I'm gonna put this in my living room. And the next thing that I see in here is a Physique Massage Roller. Serious results, serious relief. Use this massage roller after an intense physique. How about if you just like massage this? Ooh, I could see how this could be good. I think this is gonna be good to have at my new house. Feels good. Oh, I can imagine on your back. I think Justin will like this too. Next, we have a Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion Hydrator. So, let's see. Yeah, it's just a lotion. Lightweight, oil-free moisturizer provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. To use, massage evenly all over your face, neck, and chest. Okay, so it is for your face, but it's just a moisturizer. So I just got this moisturizer. Next, this is so cute. It's like this little Free People sleepy eye cover. Do you know what I'm talking about? So it's like this. Oh, it has like gel in it. I wonder if you freeze it. That would be so good. Y'all don't know how many times I've had a bad day and I've come home crying and I've held an ice pack up to my face because I'm like, I don't want to wake up with swollen eyes tomorrow. So it feels like jelly on the inside, like an ice pack. So I wonder if you freeze it, but it's just silver with these stars on it. It is so cute. Let's see what the book says. Oh yeah, so it does. It has a cooling pouch in it. And it says it's removable, and they suggest that you keep this in the fridge, and then when you need to depuff your eyes, you put that in there, and then you sleep with it on. Wow, I really like this. And this was $40. This is $40 by itself, so I never buy it, but now I got it, and I got all this other stuff too, and all I paid was $49.99. So I really like this. I'm actually gonna keep that out and put it on my nightstand. Next, we have this bag. Inside of the bag, we have, oh, lip mask. We have lip mask inside the bag. K&C Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. Conditions, moisturizes, plumps, and hydrates. So I've never used a lip mask, but in my, I think it was my last FabFitFun box, I got those under eye masks, you know, and I love those things. They work so well. So I wonder if these will work. I'll have to try them out. But the under eye masks, I love them so much. Next, we have this Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I've seen this in the commercials. So this is just like a tiny size. So based off of how much they use in the commercials, I feel like I would need this whole thing in the shower because they're like, and then they're covered in white. And I'm just like, oh, did you have to use that much product? Reveal silky smooth skin with new Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. So we got that. And last but not least, we got a Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. The first peptide infused anti-aging nail treatment. Ooh, this I probably need. My nails are not cute. So green formula. Okay, so it's just a nail polish that's supposed to help make your nails healthy. So yeah, I'll probably need this because my nails are not in good shape thanks to work. So that is what was in my FabFitFun box, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to unbox all my FabFitFun boxes, will you comment down below and let me know? Because like I said, normally I'm just like, yeah, too many people do this video, so I'm not going to. But if y'all want me to, then just let me know and I'll keep doing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to keep seeing me, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, if you didn't see my moving video, to go watch it. It was hard to record, and I put a lot of hard work into it, and I think it's a pretty decent video. So I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye.